Welcome back to another Hill Vending YouTube video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to change a vending machine lock, or also called a barrel lock. So if you're at your machine, you've got your T-handle here and it's in the lock position. You want to take your key, open it up. So you've got your T-handle opened, and right behind the inside of the T-handle there's a little pin that should be sticking out. And what you're going to want to do is get a screwdriver, or in this case I have a little punch. You want to put your key in, turn it, which turns the little tab in. Take your punch, push it in a little more, and pull out. And now you have removed your key. So if you buy a location or you get a machine from someone and you need to change your lock, that's how you do it. Very simple. Now to install a lock, all you have to do, put your key in, turn it, that depresses that little tab there, put it into your T-handle, find the hole, it'll click in, remove your key, and you're all set. That's how you change a vending machine lock. Until next time, keep your drinks cold and your snacks fresh.